Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class Nursery. Our today's topic is write in number. Dear students, this topic of this class I have taken before. Today this is the repeated class. Okay dear students, now I will show you how to write the numbers. Here are some numbers written in words. We have to write this number using digits. Okay dear students, now see. First one 77. First one number is 77. So we have to write here ones, tens. 7 will be in ones place as this is 70. So 7 will be in tens place also. So this is now 77. Then 94. Here 4 will be in ones place, and as this is 94, so 9 will be in tens place. 4 is in ones place and 9 will be in tens place. Now 56. 56. So we have to write 6 is in ones place, and to write 50 we need 5 in tens place. So we can write here 6 and here is 5. So this is 56. Again this one 97. Next number is 97. Here ones place, tens place. 7 will be in ones place, and as this is 90, so 9 will be in tens place. Okay, next number 51. 51. So 1 will be in ones place, 1 will be in ones place, and to write 50 we need 5 in tens place. So we have to write 5, 1. It means 51. Okay dear students, now see here, next number is 85. 85. So we can write here ones, tens. Here 5 will be in ones place, 5 will be in ones place. To write 80 we need 8 in tens place, 8 in tens place. So this is 85. Now 68. 68. To write 68, 8 will be in ones place and 6 will be in tens place. 8 will be in ones place and 6 will be in tens place. This is 68. Now 74. So 4 will be in ones place, 7 will be in tens place. 7 will be in tens place. This is 79. 79. So ones place will be 9 and tens place will be 7. Ones place will be 9, tens place will be 7, as this is 79. Now the next number, dear students, you know that here 3 digits we needed to write 100. Okay, the position of the digits are ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. So ones, tens, 100. Okay dear students, now see, as the number is 100, we need to write 1 in hundreds place. 1 in 100 place. Then we have to write 0 in both tens and ones place. So this is 100. This is 100. The students, I hope you have understood how to write the numbers using digits. It means how to write the numbers using digits means we'll use 10 digits to write the numbers. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Do this as your homework. This is your homework 18. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's lecture. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance, not diary marks. CT marks and SBA marks only for you. You will get based on the performance of your homework. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. Stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.